Welcome to the Python regular expressions video. In this module, you will learn about using regular expressions in Python. After going through this video, you will be able to describe regular expressions, describe metacharacters, explain functions used in the regular expressions module. Regular expression is a highly specialized programming language which can be embedded and made available in Python using the array module. They are used to filter texts and text strings. A regular expression is a text matching pattern described in a formal syntax. It can perform functions such as literal text matching, repetition, pattern composition, etc. They are used in applications that involve a lot of text processing. One of the most basic tasks of regular expressions is literal text matching. For simple text matching, most letters and characters generally match themselves easily using the AND operator. While writing a regular expression, there are some characters that are used when something unusual needs to be matched. Generally, characters match themselves easily, but some characters do not. Instead, they change the whole text if they are added in the string. These metacharacters are explained in detail in the table shown here. The regular expressions in Python can only be used after importing the array module, which provides methods and functions to deal with regular expressions. In the array module, there are several useful functions to work with the regular expressions. The functions listed in the table here take a regex as their first argument. Then, each of them compiles it and performs their functions. Their syntax and descriptions are tabulated here for your benefit. In this program, the start method shows the starting index, where the pattern is found, the end shows the last index where the pattern ends, and span shows the tuple with the start and the end position of the pattern. The span 0 is like the start function, and span 1 is like the end function. Let us now look at the output of this program. The summary of the tutorial on regular expressions is displayed on the screen. I will pause for a few seconds to allow you to read it. Internalize this information and apply it to master the information. Thanks for watching the video. Let us move ahead with next video.